Mustikkapiirakka. Blueberry pie. A dessert from Finland. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Whisk the butter or margarine and add sugar, if desired. Step 2. Add the egg, mixing well, then the cream and flour in turns. Don't/beat too much or the dough will get tough. Step 3. Let the dough stand for a while in a cool place. Step 4. Roll out the dough into a thin sheet on a baking pan. Step 5. Mix the blueberries with sugar and dried breadcrumbs or potato flour. Step 6. Spread the filling onto the dough and raise the edges. Step 7. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius until the crust is golden brown, approximately 30 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.